bag ng pang queen and princesses. Charot. Nabubuksan natin ay bagong phone. iPhone 13. Right there. Wow, you got Elsa.
I want to sing. I want to sing. You got to sing with me.
Okay. Okay, put that outside.
That was the big one. That's a present.
Okay, guys. So this is the third present. We got Elsa, one of each.
And the bed.
Frozen 2.
Oh, help me.
Hey guys, so today is December 25th and Christmas Day. Guess what, guys? May lagnat kami. Ako, si Shay, tsaka si Chacha. But Chacha has a high fever.
What about me?
Shay, she's fine now because she took medicine. And then me, may konting lagnat pa.
And Cocker.
We got a running nose, tapos sakit yung dito ko, guys. Oh, alam mo yun?
And I have blood.
Sa sinus ko.
Mom, I have
Yeah.
blood. I was sneezing.
Yeah. Sabi ni Shay, nag-sneeze daw siya ng dugo kanina. Ano siguro, guys, epekto ng tawag nito. Kasi galing kami sa malamig, -10 doon sa Germany. We flew from Germany here. Sobrang init. Galing sa malamig tapos init. Ayan. Nagkasakit. Diyos ko, day. Ito yung Pasko namin dito sa hotel. Tingnan nyo, guys. Wala akong suklay. Wala lahat. Walang kilay. Tingnan kilay ko, no? Wala na, no? So, ayan. Si Shay, si Chacha kumakain. Say hi. Shay, Shay. Chacha.
Baby, I got one.
Say hi. Kumakain sila ng sandwich with Nutella. Tapos, so kumakain sila ng sandwich at Nutella. Tapos si Charles na sa CBS nagbili ng gamot para lagnat ni Chacha tsaka ni Shay. In case babalik yung lagnat ni Shay. So, ayan, nagugutom sila. Nagugutom na rin ako, guys. Hinintay namin yung friend namin na pupunta kasi hindi kami makalabas dahil nga may lagnat, diba? Protocol yan. Pag may lagnat ka, bawal lumabas. So, nag-quarantine kami dito sa hotel. Tapos, yung friend namin, di pa dumating. Magdadala daw siya ng dinner. Nagluluto siya ng ribs. So, hindi ko alam kung what time darating. Gutom na kami. Antayin lang natin. So, anyway, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, guys, and Happy New Year. Stay healthy kayo, guys. Ingat kayo palagi. And keep drinking water. Stay hydrated na katulad namin nagkasakit. Grabe. So, anyhow, mag-unbox kami dapat mag-unbox kami ngayon ng Christmas gift. Kasi, diba, December 25th, tapos magpipictorial kami, ganon. Ay, ang ending, guys, nakahiga lang sa sa bed dito sa hotel. Nag-quarantine. Tapos sabi ng friend namin, dadalhin daw niya yung mga gifts para sa mga bata. Tapos magsuot siya ng Santa Claus. I'm not sure kung darating siya, guys. So, anyhow, I'll see you in a bit, guys. So, the gift is here, guys. Hinatid nila.
The sun.
Yan, so hinatid nila. Nandun sila sa labas.
Jack, go right here. Make that right. Come right here.
Where was that? Keep going back. Keep going back.
He forgot the bag.
The rice?
Yeah.
Oh,
But he did bring this for us.
is that rice?
Yeah.
What?
Rice and the pulled pork he got.
Okay.
It's good.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I just like the pork.
You like the pork? Okay.
I just like
The rice is good though.
You want some noodles?
no. Yes.
Okay, we'll cook them noodles.
And Layla's she's coming back with the sketch pad.
What's that for? What's that for?
What?
Jack over there. Oh, I'm okay.
He's wearing his mask.
Oh, really?
You don't need to wear a mask.
Yeah.
No, it's better safe than sorry, love.
It's safe with that shit.
Because Jack is having diabetes complications, so
So who you wear that? Mom, I make it way more water.
good. Okay, eat. You wanna eat shit? Oh, you want some noodles?
You want that spaghetti, Shay?
So, there you go, guys. Hinatid nila yung
You want
gifts.
spaghetti or no?
Chili noodles.
No chili noodles, just noodles.
Just these noodles, Shay. I'm gonna just show you.
So, inatdan kami ng food, guys. Oh, ayan ah.
Want
Hinatdan
scrambled
kami
eggs?
ng pagkain. What is this, Daddy? Ribs? Paul ribs?
It's a brisket.
Brisket and rice. Make some noodles for Shay.
Okay.
Close it, it's very cold.
I know.
So, lulutuan ko siya ng noodles, guys, kasi hindi siya kakain ng anong brisket. So, ayan. Nakaano na yung water para sa noodles. Kukunin natin yung noodles. Oh, diba? Ramen noodles. So, wait natin hanggang kumulo. Palubat na yung camera ko, guys. So, may tira kami. So, tira KFC and then pandesal kaloka. So, ito yung dessert namin sa Noche Buena, guys. So, bumili kami ng pandesal sa Asian store. That's $5. Tapos, 7 pieces siya. Ito yung pandesal. So, bali tag $1 yung isang piraso. Isang pandesal. Imagine, isang pirasong pandesal, $1. Kaloka, no? So, this one is, ito yung pinaka gusto kong kainin. Namimiss ko na to sa Pinas. So, bumili kami nito. Ito yung favorite kong kainin, guys. Kuchinta. Ayan, may nyug dyan. Shredded nyug. Shredded coconut. Ayan. Diba? So, sarap. So, i-dessert ko to mamaya. Next, ito ay $5. Ito $5 din. Kuchinta. Tapos, next ay palitaw. Yan, palitaw. So, 5 piraso, tag $1 ang isa. Loka, no? $5. Ayan, no? $5. Tapos, 5 pirasong laman. So, $1 ang isa. Tapos, ito naman ay $5 din. Pero, ano to? Cassava cake. Ayan, hindi ko pa natikman to. Kasi, ako lang mag-isa kumakain. Kasi, mga anak ko, saka si Charles, hindi sila kumakain. Yan, ako lang. Tsaka, favorite kong kainin, guys, sa Pilipinas. Yan, naalala nyo yung nagpa-game ako? Oh, nasa steak. Carioca. Oh, diba? Diba? Carioca yan, guys. So, bali, $4 yan. 6 na piraso. So, sa isang steak, 3 piraso. So, $4 na yan, guys. 6 na piraso. Mahal, no? So, bumili din kami sa Asian store ng ito. Tocino. Ayan, tocino. Martin tocino. Tapos, ito din. Beef tapa. Pang breakfast. Pampanga. Beef tapa. Tapos, hotdog. Ayan, hotdogs. Martin na brand. Tapos, ito, longganisa. Di ba? Yan. Ito lang. Yung milk namin, di pa nabuksan yan. Tapos, watermelon. May tira pang KFC. Tira pang pagkain. Grapes. Ayan. Gusto nyo grapes, guys? Ayan, masarap tong grapes na to. Hala ka, nag-a-ice na siya. Nag-a-ice na siya. Dapat isi-zipper pala to. Ayan, so, sinizipper ko na to, guys. Kasi nag-a-ice siya, oh. Hindi siya masarap kainin pag nag-a-ice. So, ayan lang, laman ng aming freezer. Ayan, walang laman. Kasi ilang days lang naman kami, guys. Tsaka ito, oh, daming, may cookies pa dito, guys. Tsaka sinabon, ayun, tira. Walang kakain, guys. Itatapon na namin yan sa basurahan. Pati itong bread, nanigas na. Tatapon din sa basurahan. Diyos ko, aksaya, no? Tapos ito, nuts. Ayan, oh, may sesame seeds, hindi pala sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, squash seeds, ganon. Basta, yun na yun. Tapos, ito, me juice, whatever is that, is the coconut. Di ko type. Maano sa lalamunan ko, inuubo ako. So, ayan. So, mamaya, guys, mag-unboxing ako sa, gift ko. Christmas gift. So, kakain muna ako, guys, ha? See you in a bit. Alright, guys. So, Shashi and Shirley's gonna open their gift. So, guys, they're gonna open their gift. And, color pinky, reddish thingy is for Shashi. And then, the blue color is for Shirley. So, they got 4 each gifts. There you go. So, blue for Chacha. And then, pink for Shashi. So, who wants to open first?
Me!
Shashi? Okay.
Let's do it together. I want to do it with my sister.
Alright.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Give baby one piece, one for you.
Okay, I want the big one. Oh, boy. We have a bunch of presents. Yeah.
Oh, it's bigger.
Baby. It's gonna fall.
Okay. Here, mommy's gonna give you one for now. And then this one for baby too. Okay, open it.
Then we can do the next one?
Yeah.
How am I gonna open it? Oh, yeah.
All the stuff we left March.
Now I know. Hi. I need some help.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Come on. What you got there?
A big one, a blue one.
Oh, so cute.
It's blue here.
It's a Lala Loopsy Little.
That's when I got it.
Yeah? You like it?
What I got?
Oh, no, it said Germany.
What Ate got?
First.
Yeah.
Hello. Read it.
Ah! Color pink. It's Lala Loopy's little color pink. Baby got blue. So Shashi got blue. Shashi got pink
And then we go to the airport.
and then Charlie's got blue. Okay, come on, put in there.
I want the big one now.
Through a certified.
Okay. So there you go. This is the first gift, guys. This is for Chacha. This is for Shashi.
My big
Okay.
No, I'll save the big one for last.
Save the big one for last one. Come on, put it there.
Then we can do the big
The
one?
big one is last one.
Oh.
No, we ate already.
Okay, this one.
Wait, come on.
Here, baby.
Ah.
Come on, open it.
Open my present already. I want a big one.
Come on, open that one first.
That's the last one. That's the last.
Okay.
Oh boy. I got something big. Open it up. Yay. Read it.
What you got there?
Look at this.
A pink doggy. Unicorn? What about baby? Open it, baby.
Open it. Wait, hold on, please. I just forgot that. It's the same as a unicorn.
Just let me know. I'll help you out when I can.
Wow. Let's go, me. Let's go, me.
Merry Christmas to you. We love you.
Now
So this is the second present, guys. One of each. They got a
Mommy.
magical unicorn. So one for Sheshi, one for Chacha. Okay, so next.
It's this.
Charlize, open your present.
On the big one.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Big one will be next. Come on.
Chacha, open your present.
On the big one.
That's next. Open this present, please.
What to get?
Come on, Chacha, open it.
On the big one, please.
No, open that one
Small
first.
and then the big one.
Alright.
All right.
What's this? What's this thing? Let me see what it is.
There's no light in here. It's so dark.
It's her again. I'll take it again. I want to check it out. It's her again.
Here.
Mom,
Tissue, Daddy.
Mom, it's her again.
What you got there?
Esther.
Wow, you got Elsa.
I was just saying. I want to sing. Forgot to sing with me.
Okay. Okay, put that aside.
Not with the big one. That's our raffle present.
Okay, guys. So this is the third present.
I
You got Elsa, one of each.
And the big.
Frozen 2.
Oh, hopefully I get a
Wait
Barbie.
for your sister.
All
Go
right.
ahead.
That's the last gift. They're excited to open big one.
Wait, did you see who it's from, though?
Go. Barbie house. Oh, MG.
It's not this. It's not giant shade. It looks it, but it's not.
What about Chacha?
It's not like Ate. Yours is for pets because you like pets more.
And I got a Barbie game box I want. I got a big one. Look. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, sir. Oh, you're gonna say thank you to Daddy and Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy and Mommy.
Okay.
The last one.
Trash, Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Alright,
pretty.
trash time. Put that away.
Here is what?
Did you love your gifts?
Yeah. I like one of Yeah, that's
Okay, the fourth gift, guys, is this is Chacha. Sheryl loves pets, so Barbie pets.
And you got the pets.
Yeah,
Mom and me.
good. That's
And I
so
got a
cute.
Mom and me.
Yeah, get 17 pieces of pets, and then Shishi got fully furnished house, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom pool.
And you
With
put water.
Barbie close and go.
No dolls.
All right, did you like it? All right. Okay, sit down over there. Mommy's gonna take picture.
Huh?
Sit down. Shay, turn around. Mommy gonna take picture. Hey guys, so ngayon it's my turn to open my Christmas gift. I get here gift ni hubby sa akin, and then another gift. So unbox natin. So which one yung uunahin natin, guys? So I guess we're gonna open the box first. Yan. So, ayan. So, titingnan natin yung loob, guys. Pero, i-unbox ko siya separately para makita niyo talaga mismo. Ay! Ding, ding, ding! Uy! What's going on? What's in here? I think this is... What?
Probably the strap.
Ah, thank you from Strawberry. Oh, so cute. Ah, it's the,
Oh, that's nice.
what is this, Daddy? Twilly. It's the Twilly, guys. So, ang cute ng Twilly, guys, from Strawberry. Oh, diba? Thank you, my dodong. Ah, thank you, card. Ano to? Wala lang? Paper lang. So, next. Ay! Look at guys. Ding ding ding. Bubuksan na natin.
It's a big box.
It's a big box. Strawberry! Have you heard strawberry, guys? Ito yung bag ng pang queen and princesses. Charot.
You are my queen.
Ay!
Another thank you card.
Bubuksan natin to next vlog, guys. Para may thrill. Alright? Next vlog lang to para may thrill. Bag siya, guys. Next na bubuksan natin ay it's a protective phone case. Ayun. Guess what, guys? Anong meron? Bagong phone. iPhone 13. Ay, my goodness. Thank you, love. Ooh.
You gotta open it.
Is it sealed?
Yes.
Ah. Like that?
Yes. Pull the tabs.
Woo! Closer! Guys, look at! Ang ganda! Bakit silver? I thought you ordered me gold.
They didn't have gold.
You use the gold one?
They didn't have it.
Okay, so silver, guys. Ayan na! Ding, 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 ding! Bubuksan na natin, guys. Oh my God! So beautiful! So, may tatlong camera agad dyan, guys. Silver color, iPhone 13. Wow, ganda oh! May kumikinang-kinang pa yung silver dyan sa gilid, guys. Ah. And then, ito yung, what is this, Daddy?
It's got the key in it.
Apple logo.
Yeah.
Apple sticker logo. And the key to open SIM key. And then, of course, charger.
No wall charger.
They don't put those, what is that? That is socket, right?
Nope. No wall sockets.
No wall sockets, I know, right?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Come on, Apple. Spend this much money, huh?
I know, right? They should put Apple socket on it. So that's it, guys. Oh, naman. Should we put my new SIM card here?
After, yeah.
Okay. Oh, diba? Gandalicious ng aking guys. gift. iPhone 13 Pro Max. And Strawberry. Thank you to my sponsor. Thank you to my Santa Claus, my hubby. Thank you, love. I love you.
I would hope so.
So, unbox natin yung Strawberry, guys, on next next vlog para makita nyo talaga ang details ng bag. And of course, with this twilly, ilalagay natin. So, anyway, big shout out to all Team Marz Drum, admins and moderators, new VIP members. Welcome to Team Marz Drum. Thank you for your love and support. And I'll see you next vlog. Happy New Year, everyone! Mwah! Mwah!